Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and we have a new video for you today. And this video, I'm not going to say too much, but the transformation was outstanding. As you can see, we're clearing out the existing grass that was there using the tiller, and this is very important step because we obviously want a fresh base, a fresh foundation for our work to start. Yeah, I'm not going to tell you what we're doing right away. You're just going to have to enjoy the process. Making houses, grinding on, breaking our backs, grinding on. Need to patronize us, grinding on. Every day we're moving, 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 grinding on. Guys, look at this beautiful interlock we finished. Strong, sturdy, beautiful. See what we're doing now? We're doing a water test to see how water is going to flow from the back. So guys, this is really important because the way water flows could actually directly damage or protect your foundation. So in the way the landscaping was done, we made sure that the base of the pavers was raked and leveled in a way that the water would be flowing outwards.
I'll show you right now. Once you put the water there, the water actually flows in the pattern of the place. And it goes like that, like that.
It doesn't get clogged with water. Everything just flows easily to the front, which is very essential because then it doesn't damage the work and it also doesn't damage the foundation, because if water keeps clogging in your foundation, it can create waterlogged issues and different things that would damage the integrity of your foundation. So yeah, we're really proud of this work we did. Our first herringbone. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, follow our page, our social media. Don't forget, we do all things home improvement. See you next time. Bye.